Suppose if you are using Microsoft Publisher, and if you open the Microsoft Publisher, and for example I'm going to take here, okay, for example I take this one, and I'm going to type here something. I type like this. So if I want to check the spelling of what I have typed, then there is a method. You must simply press this F7 key in your computer keyboard. So if you press the F7 key, it will show you the suggestions, that is check spelling. Okay, simply type here hello, and if the spelling is wrong, then you can simply click this F7, and it will show the suggestions. So you can select the spelling that you want, and after that you can simply change. For more you can subscribe.